Hi, I'm Michael Gable, Managing Director at Fairmont Equities. The price of iron ore and copper has fallen over the past few months as investors worry about a possible recession in the US and a soft Chinese economy. But do we really need to be worried about this beyond the short term? And just a reminder, any advice here is general only. The recent weakness is actually quite small in the grand scheme of things when one looks at the typical business cycle. In this chart, I've highlighted the recent decline in the iron ore price and plotted copper prices alongside it. Commodity cycles are much longer in length than the recent decline, and the iron ore cycles in the chart are clear and much larger, both in time and the rate of change compared to what we've seen in the past few months. What we have seen really is just a small correction, as we could see highlighted the yellow box there, a small correction within an upcycle that reflects the improvement in global economic data as we've seen over the past 12 months or so. So while there seems to be a lot of doomsday talk about iron ore prices, not a lot has actually changed, and the economic data continues to suggest we're only partway through an economic upcycle. It's also worth looking at what is happening with Chinese bond prices and its stock market to get a gauge on what the economy might do from here. The Chinese bond market is pricing in a recession. That's the green line. We haven't seen bond yields this low since the GFC and the start of COVID. However, each time was a huge opportunity to buy into China, and that's the black line there. That's the Chinese share market. Very low bond yields in China means that their cost of borrowing and doing business is lower than the rest of us. So that actually sets them up for a recovery. It's like where the rest of the world was a few years ago with very low interest rates. They're just behind the curve. So if the market is forward-looking and starts to head up in anticipation of an improving economy, then clearly you'll see the longer-term trend improving for iron ore, and copper prices will also continue to head higher. If you're looking for more great ideas, go to fairmontequities.com and sign up to our free trial. You'll receive our trading guide on how to buy and sell shares, and you'll get 8 weeks of our research delivered to your inbox. And if you qualify for the portfolio management service where you have more than $500,000 to invest, call me to find out more where you can get my personal help.